Service brake assist, what it means and how to fix it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where we break down everything you need to know in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. Now, have you ever been driving and suddenly seen service brake assist pop up on your dashboard? You're like, wait, what does that mean? Is my brake system failing? Well, don't worry, because in today's video, I'm going to explain exactly what that message means, why it shows up, and how you can fix it fast. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's going on and what to do before it gets serious. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. What is brake assist? Before we talk about the warning, let's get this straight. Brake assist is a safety system that helps your car stop faster in emergencies. When you slam on the brakes, it senses you're in danger and adds extra pressure to help you stop as quickly as possible. So if you suddenly see service brake assist, it means that system isn't working properly. Your regular brakes still work, but you've lost that emergency boost. Think of it like your brakes still function, but without their superpower. See? Why the warning appears. Here are the most common reasons for that message. 1. Low brake fluid. If your brake fluid level is too low, the system can't build enough pressure. 2. Vacuum leak or bad brake booster. The booster helps you press the pedal easily. If it's faulty, the warning comes on. 3. ABS or sensor problem. Brake assist works with ABS. If there's an issue there, both systems can malfunction. 4. Blown fuse or wiring issue. A bad connection can trigger the alert. 5. Software glitch. Sometimes it's just your car's computer acting up. How to fix it. All right, here's how you can fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your brake fluid level. Pop open your hood and locate the brake fluid reservoir. It's usually near the back on the driver's side. Check the level. It should be between the min and max lines. If it's low, top it up using the right fluid type, usually DOT3 or DOT4 depending on your car. Pro tip, if you constantly find it low, you might have a leak that needs professional attention. Step 2. Inspect the vacuum hose and brake booster. With the engine running, listen for a hissing sound when pressing the brake pedal. That's a sign of a vacuum leak. Check the hose connecting the brake booster to the intake manifold for cracks or looseness. If you spot damage, replace it immediately. If you're liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. Step 3. Scan for error codes, an OBD2 scanner. Plug an OBD2 scanner into your car's diagnostic port. It's usually under the dashboard. If there are stored codes related to the ABS, brake booster, or stability control, it'll point you straight to the issue. You can buy a simple scanner online or visit a mechanic who'll do this for you in minutes. Step 4. Check electrical fuses and connections. Locate the fuse box and inspect the fuse for the brake or ABS system. If it's blown, replace it with one of the same amperage rating. Also, look for any corroded connectors around the ABS module or brake sensors. Clean them carefully. Step 5. Reset the system if everything looks fine. Sometimes, after topping up fluid or fixing a minor issue, the warning might stay on. To reset it, turn off your car, wait a few minutes, then restart. If the warning disappears, great. If not, it's time to visit a professional mechanic or technician for a full system scan. Can you still drive with it on? Yes, but not for long. Your normal brakes still work, but your emergency stopping power is weaker, so drive carefully and get it fixed as soon as possible. Quick prevention tips. Check your brake fluid monthly. Replace brake pads before they wear too thin. Service your brakes regularly. Fix dashboard warnings early. Don't wait till it's too late. So there you have it. Service brake assist simply means your brake assist system needs attention. It's not the end of the world, but it's something you shouldn't ignore. If this video helps you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple, clear car explanations just like this. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay safe, drive smart, and keep your ride running smooth.